I'm going to show you how to spoof your MAC address on the Ethernet connection of your Raspberry Pi. Now I'm using a Raspberry Pi 4 for this. So we could edit the CMD file on the SD card directly if you want, but we're going to do it through the terminal. So if we do an if config, as you can see, here's our IP address. So what we are going to do is we're going to nano into the following directory here, and we're going to hit the down arrow, then we're going to hit the left arrow to get back on the first line, because this line has to be one line, complete line. So we're going to do a space, and we're going to type in SMSC95XX period MACADDR equals, and we're just going to change this to the following, just so we know that it definitely changed. So we're just going to name it 001122334455. Then we're going to do a Control X, Y, and enter. Then we are going to reboot. So once this reboots, we can get back into it. Should be coming up here shortly. Alright, so now that we're back in, let's do another if config, and as you can see, our MAC address has changed. And if you want to remove it, just go back in and remove the line that we added, and do a reboot, and you should be good to go to put it back to normal. But there you go. That's how easy it is to spoof the Ethernet connection on the Raspberry Pi. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button.